Welcome everyone to another inspiration of the week. This time we have Freshdesk. I love this. It's a customer support platform. Courtney, welcome back. Why do we love this?
I love that they have a really cool walkthrough. They take you exactly through how to set up this ticket. They're blocking out or highlighting the section that we're in, which is really neat. And it's cool to be able to just kind of like set something up as you're going.
Yeah, and the other thing I really like about it is we're walking you through in 6 steps how to fill the ticket, reply to it, and then close the ticket, which is like very learn by doing, which is what great teachers and coaches and mentors do. They don't just tell you what to do. Let's walk through it, and you learn by that.
And it's super valuable. Like, you know, now the next time that you're ready to go, you're ready to jam on these tickets. So like, I think it's a really like quick and dirty to the point, but really valuable for the end user.
They also provided like 3 more tickets that you can like practice. So like it feels like I'm in a practice space. This is 3 tickets that we can respond to and test out the functionality without any kind of risk.
I just think it's great to learn by doing. So I think that they provide a really, really great experience for their end user to feel comfortable and confident the next time they jump in.
Courtney, thank you so much, and to the Freshdesk team, I appreciate you for creating this awesome, inspiring experience.